Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's Plan With Me video is going to be using the kit Cuddle Weather by Paper Crown Planner. If you've watched any of my other videos before, you know that I really love this shop. The graphics and the ease of converting the silhouette files into Cricut is really great. So let's go ahead and get started. As you know, if you've seen my videos before, I've switched to recollections this year, and I kind of struggled a little bit with how to cover up the dates. But I watched a couple of other videos to see how they were doing it, and I really liked the idea of using a little bit of whiteout. So I've gone ahead and done that. So I'm going to lay down the date covers eventually. I'm just letting the whiteout dry here. This kit is a winter theme as opposed to a Christmas theme, so I did save it for this time of year, and I'm really happy with how it came out. So this week is looking a little bottom heavy for me. We have a lot going on the weekend as opposed to during the week. My husband goes out of town once a month, and he usually goes the second week, but whatever happened in his schedule, he had to go this particular week, and instead of going for one night, he's going for 2 nights this time. So I'm going to be home a little bit more by myself during the week, so I don't have much going on. And then I posted a Plan With Me video back in November, and in one of the days I had written that my husband was writing a designation exam, and so he finally got his mark back and he passed, so yay. And we're gonna go out with his family on Saturday to celebrate because it is a big deal. It's a financial planner designation, and it actually was 2 exams, and they were a year apart. So he's been working on it for a really long time and working in his industry for a long time just to get this designation. So that'll be fun. And then on Sunday, my liquor store that I own sponsors a wellness seminar 4 times a year, and we are the mimosa sponsor. And with that, I get the perk of being able to attend the seminar as well. So Sunday morning, I'll be doing that. And then as soon as that's over, I have to meet Emil and the boys at his uncle's house because we're having a family lunch that day. So with Saturday and Sunday being completely full and him being gone 3 days this week, it's looking like my week is pretty full. So a filming schedule that I've sort of created for myself is that I will film and edit my video on Sundays, and then I'll do my voiceover and post it on Mondays. And in the video that I posted yesterday, which was last week's Plan With Me, I was mentioning that I was having problems with my internet. I couldn't get YouTube to upload, this, that. So for last week's video, I actually tried to upload it for 7 days. I am so frustrated. So I started trying to upload it last Monday, and when I got to work yesterday, which was Monday, because I took Sunday off, I tried uploading it, and at work, my whole video uploaded in 2 hours. Like, are you kidding me? I've been trying to upload this video at home for 7 days, and now I come to work and it takes 2 hours. I even called my internet provider. They had me reset the router. They did all this stuff on their end. I'm sorry, but I'm paying for a higher speed internet. I fully expect that nothing should take 7 days. So I am so mad about it. So when I get home this evening, I'm going to call them and tell them to send me a new router, because obviously there is something wrong. If I can come to work and have it uploaded in 2 hours as opposed to 7 days, clearly there's an issue there that is not my fault. Okay, my rant is over. Thank you for listening. I appreciate it. This week I made the decision to join Weight Watchers. I have done it quite a few times before, and when I really stuck to the program, I had really good success with it. So my brother-in-law is getting married in July, and after having kids, I've kind of just not really made my health a priority. I have been starting to meal plan and cook at home, which you guys know if you've been following along, but I really feel like Weight Watchers is sort of that next step to get me where I want to be. And like I said, my brother-in-law is getting married in July, so I am kind of using that as a timeline and using it as a motivation, because there's going to be lots of pictures going on, and I don't want to look back and regret how I'm feeling about myself. How I look is another issue, because I don't believe in that. If you feel good, if you feel healthy, then that's okay. But I don't feel that way right now, and that's why I decided to join. So I'm excited about that this week. I've got a lot of recipes that I've printed out. And my husband did not join, but he is totally on board with eating the stuff that we're cooking. He's the best man for this wedding. So he said that he doesn't want to do Weight Watchers, but he's perfectly happy eating the food if it's going to be a little bit healthier to him, as long as his clothes fit okay and that he doesn't feel like they shrink in the wash, quote unquote, then he's happy with, you know, sort of eating whatever I give him. I also started waking up at 5 a.m. again to just get myself centered, have some alone time, and I actually started working out as well. I know that I was waking up at 5 a.m. before, but I struggled when I was doing it a month ago or 2 months ago, and so I kind of just got lazy and stopped doing it. But I made sure that I started again this week. Even Emil was really supportive about it. He set his alarm for 5 o'clock. He made sure that I was waking up, and then he woke up as well. So then I really had no excuse. So I am working out and then having coffee, having breakfast. Yeah, so today's video is actually relatively short. I sped it up really quickly because it's not really anything new. I just wanted to basically show you what this kit looked like and how pretty it actually was. So I really encourage you to use winter kits after Christmas, even if they do tend to look slightly Christmas-like. They work out really well. And again, this was a printable, and you know how I feel about printables. I love them. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I would love to have you join, and automatically I feel like we're all friends because that is one of the biggest things that I love about YouTube. So I hope you all have a great week, and hopefully next week's video will be up in time because of my stupid internet, but have a great week, everyone.